All right, so currently on my phone right now because it's a very important. I'm looking here. I'm looking at myself, but you're right there. I gotta get used to this. This is new for me. I'm stepping outside my comfort zone, but it's okay. So today's important because I'm gonna just show you. You're gonna see yourself. Let me just flip the camera. Hold on a second. How I do this? I can't flip on this. All right, you just look for yourself, bro. You see it. You see it. I'm finally building a PC. I feel like this is a huge stepping stone to start off the year. Feel me? I got all the parts down here. I got the video right there. I'm ready and I'm excited. I'm obviously not gonna show the whole process of it, but I just wanted to keep y'all updated for real. So I'm gonna get to work, right? I'm gonna show off all the parts. Feel me? I'm gonna do a little cut and then, yeah. So let me just to keep y'all updated, right? I was showing y'all the parts just now, but I didn't plug my mic in, so I gotta redo it and then, yeah. Alright, we're gonna start off with the CPU. We got the AMD Ryzen 5 7000, I can't see, 7600X. Yeah, then we got the CPU cooler. I went with the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120. You know what that is. I don't, so not really a PC person, but it is what it is. Got the motherboard MSI B650 Gaming plus Wi-Fi. Don't forget that part. Feel me? Got two memory G.Skill Flare X5 with 32 gigabytes. Yep. And then we got storage. Had to go with the Samsung 970 Evo Plus. One terabyte. You see it. Video game card, aka the graphics card. Went with the MSI GeForce RTX 330. You can read. We got the case, got the Corsair 4000D Airflow ATX mid tower case. That's the case I had to go with, feel me? It is looking nice so far. Got the power supply, Corsair CX650M. Fire power supply. Operation up, don't have that yet. Got the monitor, I had to go with the A. I'm out of breath. The Asus Tough Gaming monitor. And it wasn't cheap, as you can. Alright, guys. Moment of truth. After a long PC journey, I finally finished everything. All I gotta do is plug in the PC. I can't even flip the camera, but I got my monitor set and ready, PC ready. Oh shoot. Everything's ready. I am now plugging in the PC. Alright, moment of truth. Don't mind my floor, don't mind anything. My room's a mess. Everything's dirty. I haven't cleaned since I got the PC. But we got the plug right here. Plug ready. Oh shoot. I'm gonna plug it in to my effect. Plugging in the PC. PC's plugged in. I'm turning on the switch. If this doesn't work, I am killing myself. And I am not uploading this. You will never know I made this video if it doesn't work. But if it does work, then it's going up. In 3, 2, 1. Yo, what's going on? This can't be. This can't be. Oh, I thought something lit up.
You're lying. No, there's something else I'm missing.
There's no way.
Alright, I believe I resolved the issue. I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna turn my monitor on. Alright, that's moving up. In the moment of truth. Please, this should work now. If not, I'm gonna kill myself. What? Why? I did it. I didn't turn it on. I didn't turn it on. It's working. Yo, I'm slow. Yo, I thought I messed up. That's crazy. It's really working. I don't know what that noise. The fans are working. It's working. I didn't plug it in up there, bro. And it didn't work. I thought I was. Look at this. It's really working. Oh, I'm lit. I'm so happy, bro. I'm so happy. Hold on. Bro, I look up and I see all of this, bro. And this big fat power button I missed and I didn't turn it on. That's crazy. I really built this. Now I gotta do all this installation stuff, but you're not here for that. I did everything I had to do. Everything I had to do. And that's it. I got me a PC now. I can't wait to use this, bro. I'm downloading all the Steam games. I'm downloading everything. I don't even... You know what I realized? I think I have to get a keyboard. I swore I had a keyboard somewhere. I know I'm not tripping either. I definitely have a mouse, but yeah, I did it. I just don't know what that noise is. Is that the fans? It's quiet now. Yo, it's dead silent. You hear that? Exactly. I do this on my controller. I think I can somehow, right? But yeah, that's not important. The important thing is it works. Good thing. I just woke up. I look crazy. Had to get this done. And I finally did it. Finally. So yeah, it's been real, man. First PC gameplay coming soon. I'm looking at that Poppy playtime personally. You know, the chapter 3. I'm about to tackle that word. Yeah. It's been real. Peace.